who may be struggling to find their voice. When now you found your voice, you went into poetry, now you're going into rap. You had a great support system while growing up. Uhamba namabhubesi umnandi, but there's that one person khona like us who is living in their own world. Bazivalele khoneni abafuna ukuphuma or bayasaba ukuphuma because of the judgment that they're gonna get from outside. What advice would you give to the people or to the person who's hiding themselves because of his situation yakhe or disability yakhe?
My biggest advice would be, don't stop trying to prove yourself and understand. Like, you can't expect to climb a mountain without stepping on stones and so when if you wanna be heard, you wanna be seen, just don't stop. Little fees cut up. Like God will hear. God always says our prayers and understand. Yeah, don't stop. That's my biggest advice.
Don't stop. That is the biggest advice from Umpilo Mbuchu. We are talking everything facial dysmorphia and other disability challenges, or rather challenges faced by people who are living with